Hey everyone, Johnny Roven here, answering your questions about personal injury, medical malpractice, employment law situations. Okay, so I was asked the question, do I have to pay my medical bills even though the other side is at fault? It's very difficult to have any sort of legal mechanism to force the other side to pay your medical bills before there's some kind of settlement or some kind of judicial hearing or some kind of, jury verdict. So essentially, while you're going through the personal injury case, you will be covering your medical bills, or there are situations where attorneys can cover some aspects of medical treatment and evaluation, or you can go through health insurance, or you can go through a lien basis, meaning that you can go, your attorney can send you to different doctors and they would sign what's called liens against your case. There's contracts so that they would be entitled to monies from your personal injury case. So essentially, you or some byproduct of you will be covering the medical bills while you are pursuing a personal injury claim. The other side, especially in disputed liability, where the other side is saying that they're not responsible for any of the medical bills, or at least most of them, if not any, um, it's really going to be down the line before there's some kind of decision as to who is going to be covering the medical bills. So essentially, you, via yourself, you'll be paying out of pocket, or most likely, you get sent to a doctor from your attorney, or you go through your own health insurance, or those are essentially the ways to be paying for medical bills through your personal injury case. And then down the line, as you rack them up, you'll use those medical bills as part of your demand package when demanding a settlement from the other side, or letting them know what they're up against if you go to trial. And I mean, the more you rack up, depending on how high the policies are, but that puts a lot of pressure on the other side to try and settle the case before medical bills get out of control. And now you're kind of stuck in a situation where you might need to pursue trial in order to get your fair amount of damages. So that's essentially it. You have to wait for some kind of decision in order for the other side to be covering your medical bills, generally speaking. All right, Johnny Roven here. Hope this was informative, and I'll talk to you guys soon.